Think of a place you want to be, a place you belong. It's a step up, a step forward, a statement, a strategy. It's where dreams take flight, where the fire burns hot, more than 50 years strong but built for today. Focus on the horizon of tomorrow. Inclusion, equity, citizenship, the real world and our world. We think harder, reach higher, live local, study global. We unlock doors and change the direction of our minds. Education without borders, global citizenship, equity, and social inclusion are the values. From hundreds of cultures and 80 languages, we stand together, focused on a stronger future. We live to laugh, we love to play. We rise with the sun and reach for the stars. From court case to aerospace, searching and researching. We break the mold and find a better way. It's a commitment to ourselves and a promise to others. Centennial, you belong.
We have a reputation not only in this country, but globally for the kind of work we do. Employers, volunteer agencies, the general public knows who we are.
You are going there because you know at the end of the day you're going to get job skills that are going to be very practical and are going to give you a real leg up when you're looking in the workplace.
If you want to be successful and you want to learn it, this is the place to be.
We have the discussion with employers about what they're looking for and what they need to see, whether it's on the shop floor or in the boardroom.
It feels like we're in the industry already.
I think Centennial College helps international and domestic students take full advantage of the opportunity that is so ripe in Canadian aviation industry.
The college has numerous grants from the Canadian government. They have been instrumental in helping us build wind turbines, solar PV systems, geothermal energies.
Canada has high social level of life, has a high economy level.
I would say Centennial is a symbol of diversity.
It's very amazing how many students are here from around the world.
The community is very multicultural. They help you ease into the society and merge yourself so that you're more comfortable with the environment and the people around you.
I'm a member of the CESCC. This organization is a Chinese Students' Union.
The college offers a lot of mentoring and placement services. They have a very impeccable set of advisors who train you and guide you throughout.
The professors are one of the most important parts during your education here in Centennial.
They bring in years of technical experience, and also they constantly update themselves with the recent developments in the field.
I've got the opportunity to start a field placement with the great company, Intercontinental Hotel Group, and this is an incredible start for me.
ELA is designed to help students think independently and develop their learning skill. Through ELA, students build up confidence and start to find their true self.
This is a place that works closely to ensure our graduates have the best possible chance of success.
At the end of the day, it's about you and your life, and this is where it starts.
It's just made me a better person, a more disciplined person. Centennial has definitely prepared me for the future.
You will always feel welcome, no matter what. You always, in each corner, you will find someone like you or different from you, but no matter what, you will feel like this is your home.